Now let's talk about the robots. The robots are moving out of clean labs and into real working environment. For the robots, 3 problems decide performance: weight, precision, and fatigue. Sunrise-Robo is our process package for advanced robotic components. It focuses on lightweight structures, motion accuracy, and fatigue resistance. For 2026, Robo has 3 key upgrades: Sunrise Hollow Structures, Sunrise Machino CNC, and Sunrise Squeeze Cast. The first upgrade is Sunrise Hollow Structure 2026 Lightweight Design. Lightweight design is not simply making the wall thinner. If we only make the parts thin, it may bend, crack, deform, or become unstable during machining. The real idea is optimized material distributions. We move material away from places that do not need it and keep material in the places that carry force. With hollow structures, ribs, smooth radii, and local reinforcement, hollow structure can reduce structure weight by 20% in target applications while keeping the part stable. Then comes Sunrise Machino CNC and Sunrise ZEISS Ultra Metrology 2026 Ultimate Precisions. For the ball joints, bearing seats, and positioning holes, a small error can become a large movement error. This is why machining and measurement must work together. With CNC machining, ZEISS segment program, SPC trends, and closed loop compensations, we use measurement results to correct machining before dimension move out of range. For selected product side, critical features under controlled conditions, we target product precision below 5 micron. Finally, we improve long-term strength with Sunrise Squeeze Cast 2026 Squeeze die casting technology. Squeeze casting is not only simply adding pressure, it is controlling when to press, how much pressure to apply, how long to hold it, and whether displacement is stable. This helps reduce shrinkage and looseness in thick areas, making load-bearing zones more compact. In target applications, squeeze casting can improve fatigue resistance by 35%. This is Robo 2026, 20% lower structures weight, product precision below 5 micron, and 35% higher fatigue resistance. A robot can only be smart if its body can keep up with its brain.